Hello and welcome to another episode. So this is one watch which I have been working on before. I did use I soldered this one. You can see here because it was broken there and it has been working pretty good. Not sure how permanent that is. Of course, it's not permanent but at least there is some type of repair. However, I was a little bit shaky and all of that when I did the soldering because it's not something I do every day, and I was a little bit shaky, and it didn't went super well at the beginning because I burnt myself, and stupid as I am, I had this one there. you can see I kind of melted this one, so that was not so good. Fuck. Well, you can still use it, but it's a little bit icky there, and when you touch it, it just doesn't look so good, and it kind of made me a little bit sad because I had this since the beginning. But that's things happens, and that's how we learn. You make mistakes and all of that. But then I found out also that you could actually just do it like this. So it works. I have been using it like this recently. But I did the decision I took. I ordered a new one of this just to show you, and another version, a black one also. This is the big version, which is 75 millimeters. There's smaller ones, I think, also. We'll take a look at those now. So if you're buying the Bergeon 5395 75, this is how it looks like and how it will come if it's authentic. So this is a new one, and I had mine for like 2-3 years, so maybe it was time to buy a new one. Yeah, this is the one which I really like, and I have been using so much. And a word of advice: if you're working with this, don't use them when you're soldering, and also depending on how you work and all of that, you can damage this pretty easy if you, for example, place a watch like this. I think I did like that, and then you just try like this, and it's good because you protect the glass, but also you can get like damages like this. I think this was made by that, so it's just you can fix and other things as well. Just be careful. I don't like when they get too much scratches, but that's the reason why you have them, and eventually they will get more scratches and all of that. But there are other ways also. You could just place something else which is soft also if you want, and all of that. Yeah, but this is the Bergeon 5395 75 millimeters. I was looking at the black version also because I wanted to look on that one, so I did actually order it. It was completely unnecessary, and believe me, I'm really freakish with Bergeon tools. So I ordered this one, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just wanted to show you the black one also. Let's see if we can open it up and see how it works. So here you have the black version, which is 5395 75N. It's new, but it has some marks there, but I guess it's okay. I can feel Pretty the same. On the resistance, just that this one is black and this is, you can see through it a little bit. Well, you don't need to buy two. I think that's a little bit overkill. But if you're a geek like me in the tools and all of that, you probably will buy a black one too, so you can use it too, as well. And remember, if you want and with time, you can just flip this over. I tried to remove this, but I didn't make it. But maybe you can. Not sure. Yeah. So. Yeah, the quality of this I like. I have no experience of the other cheaper versions, since this is the ones I always have been working on. But yeah, they feel really good. So I thought I'd like to show you that to my subscribers and everyone out there. Which one do you have of this one? Do you have the black one or do you have this one? Please write in the comments of your favorite, or if you have any other version, because there are plenty of versions you can find on Amazon and eBay, which is not Bergeon. Which one do you have and does they work good? Please write in the comments and share your thoughts on that, so we know. Because these ones are a little bit expensive, and just because they are expensive doesn't mean they are the best. You can find cheap versions and probably they work better also sometimes. It's different, but yeah. So please write in the comment, what are your thoughts about these ones? Which is your favorite? Thank you so much for watching. Take care.